I love a product that does a 2-in-1, and that's why I love this foundation with SPF 50. This is the Dermablend CC cream. This is a continuous correcting cream. So this is a full coverage cream with SPF 50. This was gifted me from my brand, but always my opinions are my own. So what I love about this too is this is great, especially because I love to kind of take a full coverage and then really make the coverage my own, that I find that I'm able to kind of sheer it out if I want. Especially you can add some primer to the foundation, or you can just build it up to be the full coverage that it's meant to be. So too, this is a pretty thick foundation, but I like to kind of, it's not too thick. I like to put it on the back of my hand, and then I'll just take my brush and then I'll put it exactly where I want. This is in the shade 10N, so this is a fair neutral. And as you can see, this is giving me a great coverage. I do have a mirror down here, so that's why I'm looking. But in general, Dermablend is one of my favorite brands too. I love their powder. Their powder is something that I always use. Now this shade too, I find for my personal preference, this is probably a good shade match, but it's a little light for my preference. But as always, I like to just add a little bronzer, and then it really kind of lightens things up. So as you can see too, I did sheer this out a little bit. And if you want to kind of build it up more, you can. As you can see, this still gives me that nice glowy kind of finish without being like that super stark matte. But I also like this foundation too because I don't have to worry. I like to kind of build my SPF routine. So everything I have kind of has SPF, and that I feel more comfortable knowing that I'm fully covered. But as you can see, this has such a beautiful coverage. And kind of covers everything I need. So if you're looking for a new foundation and you're like me and you love sunscreen in your foundation, this is the one you need.